Are you prepared? I'll cut you down!
No need to run. The power of heroes.
Let's say Seeker! Hold to the rear guard. Ready for impact!
I call upon royal power within!
Blade there, mate.
Oh shit, I didn't.
Overkill, maybe changing stats.
I will fight with pride.
Someone get him back on his feet! Stroll got knocked out. Can anyone get him back on his feet?
Let's take it.
Badly wounded! Don't push yourself so hard! No, not now! Get
What have
up!
I done?
Oof. Yeah, I was not paying attention.
Oh, chump.
Yeah, I can know it.
Wait a second.
Got it? All right. What is that?
I shall vanquish evil!
Blades ready, lads. The power of heroes.
Let's stay calm. Come forth, royal soul! Is there another? I'll get some distance. Let me help.
I owe you. Withdrawing!
Now, I'll attack from here. What?
Hey, what was that, Prius?
What a shame.
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Let's go. Here.
That help.
Now, what's the closing the distance? Are you prepared? I'll cut you down!
So engage it. I won't hold back.
Guard up!
In the...
Swordplay comes as easily to me as... Let's go. With one strike!
Seeker! We're not out of this yet!
My thanks.
I can't afford to hold back. This calls for one of these.
Blades ready, lad.
Warrior!
Got other options. This should help.
Thanks. It's okay. Seeker!
Now, what's the play? Moving to the rear.
No need distancing myself.
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Vitus power. We can do this.
My thanks. I can't. To the fore! I shall vanquish evil.
To the front. I won't hold back.
What can I do?
Badly wounded. Can anyone heal him?
We're not out of this yet.
Helpful as ever. In the name of justice! Could do with this.
I knew you'd help.
Blades ready, lads? I've got this.
That helped.
I owe you.
Watch out! You're barely
Still
holding
fight.
it together.
I'm
No,
sorry.
not now. Get
Oh,
up!
you've done it.
Hey! Hey! Wake up! We're
This
still in a
calls for
fight
one of
here.
these.
Stroll can't take any more.
Let's see.
Someone heal him.
Any means necessary. Maybe not. I'll handle this.
I knew you'd help.
Helpful as ever.
Ready for impact.
I shall fight as the noble I am. Here!
Blades ready, lads? Here!
Let's stay calm. Let's try this.
Now, what's the play? Stepping back?
Falling back!
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Let's go. Let me help.
That helped.
I shall fight as the noble. Time to go offensive. Are you prepared?
Engaging the power of heroes.
Watch out! You're barely holding it together.
My
He's on
best
a roll.
wasn't
Someone get him
enough.
back on his feet.
Come forth, royal soul.
Stroll got
No
knocked
need to
out.
rush.
Can
Warrior!
anyone get him back on his feet?
The blade!
Watch out! You're
can't
barely
give up
holding
now.
it together.
Not like this.
Get up!
I'm not dying here. What have I done?
Will your tale end?
What now? now?
Welcome!
Now then.
Thank you!
What now?
She does 55. Like, so crazy.
Welcome! Oh, all right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you!
What now?
Wait a second.
Got it? All right. What is that? Warrior!
Let the power of heroes.
The freedom of a wander to the rear guard. I won't hold back! Wind!
Withdrawing!
Distancing myself.
The freedom of a wanderer. Let's go! Here!
I owe you. Easy.
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Closing the distance. I shall vanquish evil. Hack and slash.
Closing in. Any means necessary.
Let's stay calm. I won't hold back! Maybe not.
Sorry. Get up!
Everyone.
Hey! Hey! Wake up! We're still in a fight here!
Let's try this.
Blades ready, lads? Falling back. This should help.
That helped.
Helpful as ever.
Watch out! You're
can't
barely
give up
holding
now.
it together!
Not
not
like
now.
this.
Get up!
Oh, you've done it.
Hey! Hey! Wake up! Hey! Wake up!
Blade.
Still alive here! Whoa! Someone get him back on his feet! Come on, not like this! Someone, help, please!
Trivial.
Come on, not like this! Someone, help, please!
I'm
Chris,
not
badly
dying
wounded!
here.
Don't push yourself so hard!
What have I done?
Oh, chump. Wait a second.
Got it? All right. What is
Warrior! Ah!
Warrior?
The freedom of a wanderer. Scour!
Stepping back! Ah!
Falling back. The power of heroes.
Falling back. By this power. Wind!
Good job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
I shall vanquish evil! Hack and slash!
Now, let's see. Warrior! The blade!
The freedom of a wanderer. I can take it.
Here!
Thanks.
I owe you. Blade, I won't hold back.
The freedom of a...
In the name of justice! Ah! I'll cut you down!
Now, let's see. Any means necessary.
Slashing!
Let's stay calm. Let's go!
I call upon royal power within! Ah!
Swordplay, their light.
It's okay. We can do this. Let's try this.
Helpful as ever.
Good job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Are you prepared? Hack and slash!
No need to rush. I won't hold back. With one strike!
Let's stay calm. Ready for impact!
This should work.
That helped.
That helped. Now they're mine. The blade!
I will fight with pride. I can take it.
I shall vanquish evil.
Blade's ready. Let's go. Slash it!
The freedom of a wanderer. I won't hold back!
Joel's badly wounded. Can anyone heal him? Stroll can't take any more. Someone heal him.
Let's try this.
I knew you'd help.
Swordplay comes as easily to me as breathing.
Here.
That helped. The freedom of a wanderer. Let's go! With healing power!
I owe you. No holding back! Hack and slash!
No need. I won't hold back. With one strike!
Let's take... We're not out of this yet!
My thanks.
Great job, everyone. Talk about a close call.
I call upon royal power within!
Sword warrior! The blade!
It's okay. We can do this. Seeker! No. Guard up!
I shall fight. No holding back! No, not this.
No.
Let's stay calm. Bracing!
Trivial.
This should work.
I knew you'd help.
No need to rush this. I've got this.
I will fight with pride. By this power. Maybe not. Guard up!
Let's try this.
Now, let's see.
It's okay. We can do this. Let's go!
No need to
Let's stay calm.
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Blades ready, lads?
I will fight with pride. Ready for impact!
Here!
Thanks.
That help. Now, let's see.
It's okay. Guard up!
Please!
Trivial.
This calls for one of these.
That helped.
No need to rush this.
Let's stay calm. Seeker! With healing power.
I owe you.
Watch out! You're barely
Still
holding
fight.
it together!
Everyone.
They got Stroll!
Forgive me.
Someone get him back on his feet! Stroll got knocked out! Can anyone get him back on his feet?
Here.
You're barely
Live to see another day.
Vida's
Gotta heal
power.
up quick!
I can't afford to hold back.
Blades.
I will fit.
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call!
Here!
Now, let's see. This should help.
Let's stay calm. I can take it.
Please! This calls for one of these.
No need to rush this. I'll handle this.
Thanks. The freedom of a... Ready for impact!
Watch out! You're barely holding it together!
In the name of justice!
You're barely
Blades
holding it
ready,
together.
lads?
You gotta heal up quick!
Held back to
Come forth, royal soul!
I will force.
You gotta heal up! No, not now! Get up! Prius is down! Someone, help revive him!
What are my options? Are you prepared? Moving to the rear, to the fore! Warrior! I'll cut you down!
Swordplay, come. Let's go. Blade!
Let's stay calm. Falling back. Seeker! Here!
Guidelines.
Withdrawing!
I'll attack from here.
It's okay. We can do this. Seeker! Better be sure.
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call!
Warrior!
Now to the front. Any means necessary.
Let's stay calm.
I can't afford to hold back. Could do with this.
I knew you'd help.
That helped. Swordplay comes as easily to me. Let's go. With one strike!
I will fight with pride. I can take it.
Warrior! Let me rethink this. Let's try this.
Thanks.
Blades ready, lads.
Warrior!
It's okay. We can guard up!
Distancing myself.
I will fight with pride. With healing power.
I owe you. Easy.
Great job, everyone! Talk about a close call!
Warrior! Hack and slash!
Now, engaging. I won't hold back.
It's okay. We can...
Warrior! I'll cut you down!
No need, let's go. Slashing!
The freedom of a wanderer. Guard up!
Please!
Watch out! You're barely holding it together!
This should work!
That helped.
Swordplay comes as easy. The power of heroes.
I will fight with pride. I won't hold back! We're not out of this yet!
My thanks.
Like this. Get up!
I've weathered
Badly
worse.
wounded. Don't push yourself so hard. Hey!
I'll save this.
Wake up!
I can't afford to hold back. Warrior! No, not this. No holding back! What a mess. Are you prepared?
No.
Warrior!
I will come forth, royal soul! Forward!
Stepping back!
Blade red. I'll attack from here.
It's okay. To the rear guard.
What a shame!
Good job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Time to go offensive. I shall vanquish evil. Hack and slash.
Engaging. They're mine.
I will fight with pride. Guard up!
Moving to the rear. Here!
Thanks.
That helped. No need to rush this. Any means necessary. Warrior! The blade!
It's okay.
Please! This should work.
That helped.
Swordplay come. I won't hold back.
Let's stay calm. Bracing!
I shall fight as the noble I am. Here!
No. Distancing myself.
It's okay. We can do this.
Good job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Are you prepared? Not now. To the fore! Warrior!
No need to rush this. Closing in. The power of heroes.
Let's stay calm.
Withdrawing! This should work.
I knew you'd help.
My thanks. No, they're mine.
Slashing!
I will fight with pride. Ready for impact.
This calls for one of these.
That help. No need to rush this. I've got this.
That helped. It's okay.
Closing the distance. I'll cut you down!
Blade, I won't hold back. With one strike!
Hey, what was that, Prius?
Seeker!
Now, what's the play? Stepping back! Here!
No need to rush. Falling back. I'll handle this.
Good job, everyone! Talk about a close call.
Ready for impact!
I shall to the fore! Warrior!
To the front. Warrior! The blade! Held back too much.
I can take it.
Now, what's the play? Withdrawing! Could do with this.
Thanks.
No need to... Let's go. With one strike! Go on, finish the job.
Bracing!
I can't afford to hold back. This should work.
I knew you'd help.
Blades ready, lads. Warrior! Slashing! Still standing, eh?
Please! Suppose this is it.
Someone get him back on his feet!
Here.
I live to see another day. Closing the distance. I shall vanquish evil. Not done yet.
Distancing myself. I've got this.
Thanks.
I owe you.
I will fight with pride. Let's go. We're not out of this yet.
My thanks.
In the name of justice. This calls for one of these. Forgive
Someone
me.
get him back on his feet! Stroll got knocked out!
Any
Anyone
need
get him
is
back on his
necessary.
feet!
Engaging their mind. The blade! Held
It's
back
okay.
too much.
We can do this. Guard up!
Trivial.
Stroll got knocked out.
The power
Can anyone
of
get him back on his
heroes.
feet?
Still standing.
Let's stay calm. Bracing!
Watch out! You're barely holding it together. No, not now! Get up!
I'll attack from here.
Not like this! Someone, help, please!
Take it.
Not like this! Someone, help, please!
I've got this.
Not like this! Someone, help, please! What is this crystal? By my guess, the monsters were drawn to its aura. We shouldn't...
More questions than answers, but there's no time to ponder them. We better move.
You can't be serious.
Push through!
Your health is looking kinda iffy. Heal, please!
Looking kinda iffy.
Really?
That's...
Huh?
Luke. But got it?
But...
Ay, mira.
Let's go. Don't panic.
Got it?